Ricky, we're rolling. Hey, hello guys. Ricardo here, direct from Hasselhammer, and I'm in quarantine. Emiratis is an amazing place to fly, but right now I have nothing to do. I already start counting the molecules of sand in the desert just to keep myself busy, that I don't get mental and I don't kill that Indian. I don't have Theo here to give me expert analysis, but I'm gonna invite our new SkySchool member. He's a guru direct from India, Rashi. Very good. All right, Rashi, we have to analyze this video Alex has just sent it to me. All right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's play.
Oopsie daisy.
Whoa.
Well.
Let's see the last seconds again. Whoa. What do you think about that, Rashi?
Well, I mean, there are better ways to do suicide.
It's funny because you know for way before something is gonna happen,
Yeah.
right? Because they send the video to us to check it out. So what we can take from there, like first the weather is amazing.
Yeah, looks good. Looks good.
No problem with the weather at all.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the problems?
Well, I think it just the whole judgment. No flight plan. Too much pendulum swing in the wings, and really wrong place to land.
There's nothing else to say about that. It's everything like the approaching is wrong, no flight plan.
Yeah.
All right, he's not out of the seat. He's pedaling a lot of brakes, and he just turned and fell, and no attitude. So how we can fix this?
Ground handling is the best solution. People don't do enough ground handling, and they're not sensitive to the wing.
I flew a lot in this place. This is in Saquarema, Brazil. It's an amazing place. So I have a video I'm testing flying Hadron a couple of years ago. So we approaching from the back because the wind's coming from the ocean. So you approach from instead of coming follow the vegetation, you come from the road, okay, or behind the road, okay. It has a planned space to do that, okay. So what I do, I approach from the back, okay, and then like I turn 90 degrees towards to the beach, and I descended slowly out of the seat, kill my engine, and I just touch down. It's the most easy landing in any place I ever seen in my life. This place is amazing. So I think the main problem is the lack of a plan.
Yes.
You know, he doesn't know what to do.
I can hear a dog barking in the video, so make sure that your dog is on the leash. It doesn't
Oh yeah, it's Brazil, you know.
Yeah.
It's no dogs on the leash, but yes, make sure your dog is in the leash. Some highlights. Know your equipment. Kiting is never enough. Not just kiting, but hand towing. The way is, if you do that, if you train it constantly, you're gonna learn how to take off very well and how to land it very well. Before you take off, plan your flight. The procedures to take off, where you're gonna take off and what directions, and the procedure to landing. What path you're gonna do, the circuit and everything. Make sure you have a big enough space to take off, landing and fly, free from obstacles and dangers. And finally, the weather. Make sure the weather is okay. In the next video, we're gonna analyze some takeoffs and advanced takeoff. Hope this analysis was useful. So judge well, fly well. With that message, I, Ricardo, sign off for now. See you soon. Till then, big quarantine, stay at home, stay safe, happy landing.